Hey, what's up you guys? It's Killing Art here, and today we are going to be dyeing my hair. You know, from my original videos, it was like a brownish red. My original hair color was very, very blonde. And then I've bleached it, I've dyed it black, I've dyed it red, I've dyed it green, I've dyed it blue, I've dyed it dark blue, black. I mean, we've gone all over the place with my hair color. We're going to be going back to blonde because I'm getting tired of these freaking blonde roots, but we're going to be going blonde with a little bit of silver. I'm hoping it'll come out like a little silverish, maybe grayish blonde, because I still have to be appropriate for school and work, but let's hope this works. Leaving it in your hair? Oh, no, I don't want to. This smells like a James's farts. If you don't know who James is, go check out my brother tag video. I'll have the video at the end of this one. It's nasty. It smells so bad. I really don't want to deal with this.
Wait, I hate how you gag. Why do you gag like that?
Yeah. Oh no.
I forgot my place in the other room.
Oh god, I can smell it, and it's on my head.
Like, it's gross, but like not gag worthy every 4 seconds.
Yeah. It's getting stronger.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Oh my god, you put it on my face.
I meant to just like put it over your mouth.
That wasn't funny, you almost stuck your finger in my mouth.
It would have been okay.
I would have died.
No, you wouldn't have.
That's so freaking nasty.
You would not have died.
Thanks for getting it all over me, Felicity.
You're welcome, Katie.
I really enjoyed this experience. Now you're rubbing your glove on my leg. Why?
I didn't mean to.
Alright guys, this is the product of the color stripping. Oh, then I got it back on me again. Yeah, this is the product of the color stripping. Now we're gonna bleach it. Now we're gonna bleach it and stuff, and yeah, so I'm going to work at 6 o'clock and it's 4:30, so I'm hoping we can get this stuff done before that. What's up guys? We just bleached my hair, and we couldn't video that process because my camera died and I had to charge it. But yeah, this is a very nasty process, and it really freaking burns and stings. All you do is you get that stuff, I'm not even sure what to call it, and you mix it in with the bleach and stir it, and you put it in your hair and do it until your hair is covered, and hopefully it'll come out the color. We will see the results tomorrow. Alright guys, this is my hair after bleaching it, and it's like freaking red, orange, blonde, and this side right here is like pure freaking blonde. We used 2 different developers. That one was 20 and one was 40. We used the 40 on this side and the 20 on the rest, and that was a terrible idea because the top of my hair and the rest of the side over here came out like a blonde, red, orange, and this side just came out like freaking pure blonde. So we went back to the store and I bought a different kind of developer, hoping it will work okay, and it's 40 instead of 20, so let's hope it strips this color out of my hair. And Felicity's gonna help me with this, so she doesn't want to be in the video, so she's gonna be over there to the side. Alright guys, we decided actually that we need a second round of bleaching because this is just too orange and this is just too blonde. So we're gonna avoid bleaching this too much, put a little bit on it, not too much, and then just put the rest of it on here and this side because it is not even at all. Alright guys, this is my bleached hair. Minus that side because it was already basically blonde, so let's wait. It stings! It burns! It's burning so bad. Okay, let's go to the next part after the shower. Holy freaking cow, guys. What the heck is this? Oh my gosh. Pay no attention to this area. Look how blonde I am. Alright, I guess we should tone it now or whatever. Yeah. Alright guys, now we're gonna tone my hair. And it's like freaking bleach blonde almost. I mean, I used to have it this blonde. Don't spank it. Why do I have to ask you in every single video we're in? Do not spank something. Alright guys, I have purple hair right now. Let's see how it turns out after the shower. We'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the finished product after toning my hair. Look, I said toning before, but now this was actual toning. Before I just put a developer in it, so I was developing it, and now it's toned. And it's almost exactly what I wanted. I really, honestly, personally, I want it to be like a silver gray, but I can't do that because of school and work. So this is what I'm gonna have to be satisfied with, and I like it. Like, it's basically white. It's like a whitish gray, and it's blonde. It's like white, gray, blonde. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.